Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So we were discussing about the process and the list of the processes. So we have learned system CTL. So STM system CTL status cron D. Start, stop, reload, restart. This is the thing we have done. And how we'll confirm the state. System CTL is enabled, process name, and is active, process name. This will tell you the state of that process. You can use two more SSD. So you can use two process or three process. But if you want to know the list of the processes which are in active state, systemctl pipe grab active. These are the active process. And if you want to use what are the process which are in list, unit file pipe grab disable. These are the process which are in disable state. So what that means, disable, this will not come up with the OS by default. Manually someone has to reload this file or start this processor. Active means currently it is running and active, like systemctl status cron d service. Okay, currently it is running, okay, from past 10 minutes, and it is in enable state. So there's a thing, it is having the parent this PID 3524. Okay, we have learned these things. Now if I say whatever the state of my process, it should not get changed even someone wants to do it. Like my cron D process is running, it's running. I don't want to stop this thing, but like systemctl stop cron D, it will get stopped. Okay, it's showing inactive. Enable, yes, enable is good, but it is not running. You can check systemctl is active cron D. No, it's not active. So what we can do, first let's start the service. Okay, now we'll check is active. Yes, but now I will stop other people to make the changes of this process. Like what we'll do, systemctl mask cron D. Okay, we have masked this thing. So now this service, whatever state it was holding, it will still hold the same state, active. Okay, still is active. Now I will do system ctl stop cron D. It's showing it got executed, it got inactive. But if I want to start, it got masked. Okay, so once you mask the process, it will won't come up. Nobody will able to start that process until someone unmasks that thing. And being a root user, use the one who can mask and unmask this thing. So what's the benefit of mask? See, there are many processes like firewall or IP tables in RHEL6. So we don't want firewall should be running on all the servers. And if by mistaken someone will start, that will be a revenue impacting, or that will be a penalty on the company. So to avoid that thing, in RHEL7 they have introduced this mask. So if you mask any process, if it is running, it will keep on running. But once you stop the process, it won't come up. It will say unit is masked. Okay. So now service won't come up. If you see is active, always active. So To unmask this thing, we have to use systemctl unmask cron d. Is active? Inactive, yes. Because we have unmasked, we have not started the service. Systemctl start cron d is active? Yes, is active. So that's how you can do mask unmask. So what we have learned, how to start a service, how to stop a service, how to check the status, is enable, is active, restart, reload, mask and unmask. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.